Welcome to the Department of Biosciences. Department is renowned for delivering the highest quality of education, combining academic excellence with hands-on training.
We are offering postgraduate program in pharmacology and physiology. It is one of the leading programs in solvent lab and
This is Professor Dr. Fakir Muhammad, Chairman, Department of Biosciences, Faculty of Veterinary Sciences, Biology, BZU Multan. In the Department of Biosciences, we are offering different subjects like anatomy, histology, physiology, pharmacology, and biochemistry to the DVM and BS Forty Science classes. In addition, we are also offering one postgraduate program in the discipline of pharmacology and toxicology. And in the future, we are planning to offer one BS program in the name of BS Toxicology. And this program has been approved by all the statutory bodies of the university, and we are going to offer this program very soon.